How to sign out of Yahoo Mail app. I will show you the correct way to sign out of your Yahoo Mail app in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your Yahoo Mail application and you have to make sure you are on the main inbox screen. Tap onto the profile icon in the top left corner. In this screen you can see Manage Accounts. Tap on it. Find out the account you want to log out from and then tap on it. In here you can see the option of delete account. You just have to tap on it and if prompted, confirm the removal. This will remove your account from the app but won't delete your email or data. You can also switch to another account by signing in with different email. And that's it. You have successfully signed out of Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.